at Mattoon and 85 at Lawrenceville. Drier weather will move into the region for today, but will not linger for long as a low-pressure system moves.
This is a test of NOAA weather radio warning alarm system. The attention signal thus heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn off the impending hazard. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will normally vary with distance from the transmitter. This may occur even if you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. We now return to regular programming.